Columbus is Parenteau lifting it towards Komarov, picked up by Riley. He swoops to the corner, looking around. Riley shoots, rising shot. Comes all the way up and around and over the stick of Phaneuf. A race. Atkinson getting there and a penalty coming up, and it's going to go against the Leafs.
Columbus asking for that to be a goal. Right here, puck pass over a stick, and right there's the hook. And John Tortorella standing on his bench looking for the goal call. And I don't think he's going to get it.
Let's take a quick look at our keys to the game, brought to you by Tim Hortons, official coffee of the NHL.
And Columbus, more battles around the net. They've done that. They said they were embarrassed last night against the Islanders. They didn't compete. Well, they did tonight. The conversation continues as to whether to award an automatic goal for Cam Atkinson.
Has 2 minutes for hooking.
Will just stand as the minor.
No question about the penalty. And not surprisingly, John Tortorella keeping us entertained right to the end.